Known as the efficiency experts, the Hereford breed has been an icon of the U.S. beef industry for more than 100 years. Today, the beef industry is facing more challenges than ever, and the Hereford breed can help producers meet those challenges head-on. Rising inputs, competition for grains with the biofuel industry, and the economic stress on the American household are all putting pressure on the profitability of the cattle producer. Known for efficiency on the range and in the feedlot, easygoing disposition, and high-quality end product, Herefords are poised to bring heterosis to the nation's black cow herd at a time when the industry needs it most. The American Hereford Association realized the cattlemen who have been using Angus-influenced genetics for the last 2 decades wanted proof of what Herefords could bring to their breeding program. The fact is, heterosis in many instances has become a lost science. To prove Hereford bulls are the best option to use on the nation's predominantly black cow herd, AHA set out to document Hereford's genetic advantage for reducing production costs and increasing the efficiency by participating in various real-world research projects across the United States. AHA commissioned a crossbreeding study with nationally renowned Angus operation Circle A Ranch located in Iberia, Missouri, to document the advantages of crossing Hereford genetics on commercial Angus cows. Economically relevant traits such as weaning weight, feedlot gain, feed efficiency, and fertility from the black baldy females were all measured and compared to the straight commercial Angus cattle. Mark Aiken, Circle A Ranch General Manager, was instrumental in designing and managing the research project.
What we've seen so far is that the cattle are pretty vigorous at birth. The heifers, the steers did a nice job of going in and feeding out. Their gains were very complimentary and sometimes exceeded some of their contemporaries in the Angus side. But the female side was really what piqued my interest, because we have bred purebred Angus for all these years, and that's really what piqued my interest, is because I was curious if the heterosis from the cross would make available a better conception rate for us, and it did. And so these heifers are some of the product out of the test, and that's really kind of how we all got started there. And the heifers have done wonderful. I think they're going to be a real sale attraction here, and I know that also that the crew had mentioned that the disposition they really liked. It's been a good experience for us. I'm pretty impressed by the phenotype and the stature of these females, and they've done well with whatever they've been given in our management side.
Dan Mosier, Kansas State University Associate Professor, summarized the Circle A project. The Hereford crossed calves showed the advantage from birth. Average birth weight for the Hereford sired calves was 72 pounds, 3 pounds heavier than the Angus sires, which is desirable and nearly ideal for commercial operations. At weaning, the Hereford sired calves were 11.9 pounds heavier than the Angus sired calves, despite the Angus sires ranking in the top 20% of their breed for the weaning weight EPD. After being weaned, a portion of the steers were fed at Circle A's feedlot in Huntsville, Missouri, where the Hereford cross steers out